but you already know who it is. It's your boy Hemi John, and what do I got today? Well, I am going to do a review of I believe it's the One Von throttle response controller, and this is for, it says Dodge, Jeep, Maserati, Chrysler. So basically, it's kind of like a pedal commander. It's just a knockoff. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing this video and letting you guys know how it performs and just is it legit. So stay tuned and we're gonna get into it. All right. I thought also before I get into it, I would let you guys see the content. So we're gonna open her up here. We're gonna do like chugs. Big chugs. Now, anyway, here we go. So as you can see there, it's the controller itself. My hands aren't that big. This is just really tiny. What else is in here? Here we have our controllers. And have our zip ties. So take all this out. Let's get our instructions out. So I'm going to read over these instructions and then I'm going to get to it. Once I get it all hooked up and everything, I'll get back with you guys and we'll do a ride along video. All right. What's good? It's your boy Hemi John back with another video, and today's Real Talk Wednesday is about your boy. I'm currently running around here trying to get stuff done for my truck. Over the weekend I had an accident, but the accident was my fault. But fortunately I didn't hit anyone. I just ran into my own vehicle, so with my utility trailer from my other work truck. So long story short, I'm gonna have to get my truck fixed. So I've already contacted my insurance and all that good stuff, and what I'm doing now, or what I've been doing today, is going to different body shops, seeing about getting estimates. And it's just crazy because I've never seen a place where especially I guess in this part of Tennessee, where it's so hard to get an estimate. You know, I guess primarily everybody is having wrecks around this time of year and accidents are more frequent. So, you know, it's one of those things that you just have to put up with. I mean, one body shop, they said they couldn't get to me till April. And I'm like, nah, I need my truck fixed before April. So I got some stuff in the works right now. I'll get back to the house. I'll show y'all the damage on it. But so far I got something lined up. So hopefully I'll be at least, hopefully by the end of the week, getting you know, the truck put in the shop and go from there. But in the meantime, between time, like I said, hope everybody's having a good work week, or if you're on vacation, hope you're having a good vacation. And just stay safe out here. Oh, that sun, man, the sun. See if I can get a better angle. Okay, there we go. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this Real Talk Wednesday. And I'll be showing you guys, like I said, the damage on it. I end up backing into it, like I said, with my work truck and the utility trailer. So it's always something, never a dull moment. But anyway, I'll holler at you guys when I get to the house. All right.